Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Sarah Knox now as we are seeing some lightning, a colorful sky across Rochester tonight.
Yeah, there's still a lot of energy in the atmosphere right now, Cammie, and that's why we're seeing so much of this lightning, so much friction going on between all of the clouds. Luckily, though, nothing going severe. And yes, there is still a chance as we slip later into this evening, but the chance has dwindled. So for now, I am going to talk about the temperatures because it was such a big story yesterday and definitely today. So where do we sit? Well, it's a big difference between Rochester and Mason City, where right now we're at 83 in Mason City, 68 degrees right now in Rochester, actually feeling quite cool. It was a big drop, and a lot of it having to do with just how these storms have formed and the winds coming off of them. So now let's get to it. You can see lightning in Rochester, lightning not necessarily over the city itself, Mason City, but we still see it in the distance. There's still plenty of cloud cover to be seen. And really, I'll step out of the way for just a moment. We can take a moment to watch a lot of this. It is very cool. You'll notice rain coming down in Rochester as we speak. So Highway 52 a little bit on the wet side, not to mention our camera, a little nice drop just coming up. It's not surprising when you take a look at satellite and radar because it is so active right now, especially this right here. This line where we're seeing a lot of the silvers, and underneath it, there's plenty of red, indicating heavy rain that's been falling for quite some time. So I'll erase the lightning and we'll take a peek. This is really going to be the main concern as we do come into the evening. Yes, there is still a severe threat. Again, it dwindles the further and further we get into the night, but then the concern for flooding comes our way. And you can see this not in our immediate area, but Blue Earth and Nicollet counties currently seeing a flash flood warning right there in the green. So that's what we'll be watching for. Now, when it comes to some rain that we have seen, this is not official totals. I think that's important to note. What we're seeing here are radar estimated rain totals over the last 12 hours. So places like Northwood getting upwards close to about 5 inches. Meanwhile, in Albert Lea, over 3 inches, about 2 inches in Austin. Again, these numbers not official. These are radar indicated, but it gives us a good look at where we might be seeing that potential for some flooding. Now, luckily, Futurecast does push a lot of this out over the next several hours. So we've gone about 2-3 hours at this point. Now we're here at 1 a.m. More breakage, and we are left with some lighter rain. Most of that does move out by Thursday morning, maybe a few stragglers popping up here or there. But then our Thursday does look to be more on the dry side. This is 10 a.m. We'll fast forward into the afternoon. And yeah, there's still some chances, especially where we see clouds, because the atmosphere, it's not wrung out completely despite all of this busyness in the sky. Tomorrow will be cooler though, under mostly cloudy skies with that stray shower or storm possible throughout the day. I'm gonna enjoy that 82, especially knowing that temperatures will be right back on the rise, not to mention dew points rising alongside them. Friday and Saturday welcome back some sunshine, but then we come into Sunday and temperatures back near the 90-degree mark. Sticks with us into Monday, and Cammie, once again, we will be watching for that chance for some showers and storms.